Okay, you know, so anytime when you see this fine face, and today I go extra mile for now because say I don't mean I said the regular face. I put lash. My God, it's not easy. I'm blinking.
Hey, good.
Only me they find myself inside here where AC day.
Peter, why you just be laughing?
No, lashes where they found the face. You know,
Only
say
me they find myself.
now long lashes.
I rub a roof for mouth just for una. So you know, so na very very serious something. On top, ChookMouthGeng, nothing serious.
Just vibes.
And I don't say me I need to work alone. I get papi specting.
You know what in my book.
Oh God, I like this.
Okay, you go see me for dollar face and I go see.
And of course, I get one sweet delicious. Ah, God, if this babe stand up, I said we don't close show.
Chocolate.
If she stand up by the end, so when she just sit down, she sit down. Kemi, what's up, baby?
I'm fine. I'm good.
Okay.
Now we they run them. Now we.
Oh, waiting.
Drop
Drop matter. And Lagos, I get with me. I usually call her Chinese restaurant. Dayo, Alpha.
No. Don't worry. Based on the way she did introduce me, I'm not going to talk.
Okay.
Let's see ways. I can do
Dayo, how
about the
are you?
history and the relations.
Don't be annoyed.
In a work as videographer.
I'm not raise hand. I forgive you the hand. I don't give you
You know that worry.
Life has happened to you. Nigeria has happened to you.
But you know, beautiful people on top of this table like this. I want me to talk about something where don't become a norm for us. Before this thing really happened. But you know, as time they go on, people they more exposed. Civilization they crawl, they enter in. This thing can be normal way of life. And this thing an open relationship. And personally, I could just drop on real quick. I don't believe in that thing, but you know, I try I'm open to now. So I want first of all know your opinion about open relationship. Make I start with you, Kemi.
In my own terms, open relationship is something that you're not hiding anything from your partner.
Okay.
Like you about to say, for somebody that wants to sing. So the explanation of that thing that I just dropped now is dead body don't need to hide from someone that want to bury it.
Wisdom too much.
So thank you. So what I'm trying to say is, you have a partner, instead of hiding or cheating or saying, baby, I'm coming back, I want to quickly go and buy something down the street, but then you want to go and see your side shake. Instead of doing that, just go, because your babe already knows that it is open. She can cheat, I can cheat, everybody can cheat.
Okay.
You can have a moment of weakness. Hello, Uncle Dayo, don't shake head for me.
I like saying Dayo don't shake head already.
For me.
Make she learn first. Okay.
We're not lying to ourselves here. I'm not pretending that I'm gonna stand strong when I know that nothing is standing anywhere.
But something can stand here.
Even Obi away Simo will start or don't sleep.
Exactly. See what I was saying? Hello. Even Dekule God is calling people that come to me, Molo. Why is he doing that?
Okay.
And Chishimi has seen it. Okay. I mean, hello.
So instead of making just hide, just open and talk.
Just let it be open.
Dayo, wait till you get to talk. You don't shake head already.
Yeah. Because now the way the kind of terms we always they use, explain and define our number one, our indiscipline. So before I dive into that one, Shey, I want you, Shey, you feel the open relationship. Oh, you didn't want like this.
Oh, we go come. I want to get your definition.
You can.
Shey, yes.
You can.
I know we go come to that one. I just want to get your definition.
So down to my own definition, in the sense that you're talking about open relationship. Do you get number one? What's relationship without commitment? Okay. So you are committed to somebody, having the thought of another person in mind, either for whatever reason you define it as. In the sense that you talk, say this kind of person, or you want this not the person where you date, sure you get, but you get another person where you want to share your body out. Oh my God! As a Yoruba man, where I be man think am again. Say, babe, yeah, you know I love you. I say yes, you love me, I love you too. Sure you get, but I'm coming. I'm going for a quickie. Where you know that my neighbor that I told you about, I think I like him, so I'm going for a quickie. Papi, to help me think.
Okay.
Because your brain, your thinking, it is limited.
Oh, wow.
So you date relationship, you know me say, person no fit get extra things where they get outside, where you know if you provide. Okay, what if that quickie wish you want to go do outside, you know if you give them, maybe your prick no need to the stand.
So make I can ask you, you can't bring
so
us
it mean, sorry, my love. It means say, if they open relationship, they run one or two things outside, where you know say this your current partner no fit give you. If you don't get money, that person partner with the outside, if you get money, I come back bring put food on the table. No, it's not for your benefits. So that's an advantage of open relationship. Benefit, advantage where you know if you put for table, I'll go outside, go carry and come.
So now everything we just talk now,
Yes.
I don't pack all that words.
Yes.
I don't put them for table. I won't rearrange them one by one.
Yeah.
Firstly, they talk say open relationship is this, is that.
Yes.
Say if you did this relationship, what if?
Yeah.
Why you go do something at first if you did sure say this person will give you all?
Some people get attached
Now
to people.
why?
Hold on. I want to answer that question.
No, wait, no. You just
Some
say
people
no, no.
attached. I feel they attached to you now. I don't feel leave you, but I don't say you know if you solve all my problem. Where
You just
why-
get attached
but-
because
but
of
they attached to you.
particular reason.
So that way,
Wait.
it has to be open
You
relationship.
just define what you want that way. I know say this babe where I deal with now for knack, I don't get anything. This other babe where I deal with, I know say if I go outside, that's for it. Do you get? But adding the word open relationship, it is. I need.
That is the essence.
No,
now.
Pravin and me, Pravin and me no
Make I
understand.
just
the
Pravin and me no
essence.
Make I
understand
just
that.
calm down.
No,
Calm down.
that's-
Make I just kuma drop the topic of the day because we never even drop the topic. I just want sample of
Whenever grand
open
beans.
relationship.
My
My
friend-
mind don't they smell.
Because
Everywhere
my
don dey
face,
boil.
because my face don't dey strong. You guys I go.
Wait
find
first, calm down,
particular
calm down.
fight.
face me,
The
face
topic,
me.
the topic where I want me to really discuss now. Shey this open relationship of a thing, na excuse to cheat. Now be the main topic. I go start with you, where my friends.
Well, to cheat now, even if you know even the open relationship, people they cheat.
Okay.
2 days ago, I still. I think I got the point now. But honestly, I think say no be really excuse now like the normal thing. If you did open relationship, now ticket to do anything. So I won't call it an excuse. Now leeway, natural leeway. So when I call it excuse, I don't call them excuse. I call them like permission. Now like say so. Now like leeway. I won't
Okay.
call it excuse. The way if you put excuse, it could be like say you dey use that one tag say now that reason why I don't go cheat. Being open relationship don't already give you permission, leeway to do anything. So I won't like the word excuse. I would like permission.
Because, make I quickly drop some. Some
Yeah.
people will argue, say the reason why most people they actually go into this open relationship now because they want cheat and they want cheat with their full chest. Because I mean, you they tell me say make we be in a relationship where we say I go feed a knack another person where you sabi.
I beg, I want to ask you a
Sorry.
question.
Hold on,
If
guys.
it is-
Sorry, my love. That thing
Oh,
we
God.
talk now, a serious misconception. When you date relationship, you date with anybody, the person we date with, they feel some needs. Some needs na spiritual needs.
Okay.
Some need na financial. Some motivational need. So sometimes it's not even sexual need. We say, okay, now because I want the knock any and now I got the relationship. I feel they with Kemi like we date now. We they help ourselves.
If you dey with Kevin today, do it.
We they feel some.
You dey do it. You
Kevin, maybe don't
dey do it.
don't-
Today
Okay, we're
do.
not supposed to talk am now.
Okay,
But you get my point
wait,
here.
wait,
I get your
So
point.
it's not only sexual needs.
I know
wait.
disclaimer.
Yeah.
Is that your
No.
Okay,
no,
Kevin,
let
make I hear
Kemi-
what you want to talk.
I want to suck in their energy.
All right.
Yeah.
Energy will lose. So, by the way, why you trying?
But we should.
want me to
Stop.
down now.
Now straight up suck the energy.
Kevin, make we hear you.
Continue.
Basically,
Yeah.
this open relationship thing, it's not a open ticket to be cheating.
Okay.
Do you get? I feel the real reason why it's there, like Papito said, there are some needs that your partner can't provide. That's one.
I still try to
Two.
understand.
Wait. Two. There are some times that you have a moment of weakness. So in that time where you have a moment of weakness, and you already know that cheating is not a red flag in your relationship. Hello, have you done anything wrong?
I like that idea of moment of
Have you done
weakness.
anything wrong?
I don't understand how we restructure these things to suit ourselves. Personally, that's what I feel.
No, that's so life be.
Wait.
What do you
Life,
think?
like,
That's so
why
life
would
be.
you
Wait,
go and
abeg,
cheat
wait.
and then I would find out
Wait.
and start getting angry?
Wait, abeg,
On the
I
normal
want
day
you a
when
question.
cheating is not a red flag for
Abeg,
me.
abeg.
What if
Abeg.
that?
Oh, not a
So
deal
this-
breaker.
Hold on.
Not a deal breaker.
Make I just drop this
It's
one for you.
just
What if that your
sex.
partner now go cheat or go meet another person
Yeah.
where you know, and the person you can't grow.
Abeg,
They
I-
attached to that person
More than
they
you.
committed to that person more than you.
That is the disadvantage of open relationship.
I
We're not talking you don't get your own bad
wait,
side.
wait,
You get your own
wait.
bad
Exactly,
side.
it's a bad
You feel
side,
lose your
yes.
partner.
Question.
But when
Wait,
you know
abeg,
that
wait.
you're committed
Closed door
to that
relationship,
partner.
if you lose partner.
The
Yeah.
question.
Exactly.
The
So
question.
what are we-
The question
What
I
are
ask,
we
Papito,
hiding?
Papito, sure you go hear me. The question: wetin be the limit to open relationship when you know say yo?
Bro, there's
I
no
can't take
limit.
this.
There's no
That's one.
limit.
That's one. Then
Because
wait,
love in itself
wait,
has no limits.
Wait,
Love is
wait.
encompassing.
Wait.
I feel fall in love with. Sorry.
If I do well, the thing now is when you're talking about open relationship as an excuse to cheating and blah blah blah, there's one thing I realized years ago that human being we will always define our hypocrisy. Shey you get? It's as simple as that. So it's just as simple as, yo babe, I love you. Do you get? But you can't give me everything I want. So I want to test waters with everybody.
Okay.
Do you get? You don't tell your babe that one. Your babe don't agree, right?
Go on, I dey hear you.
So the moment when you tell your babe that one, when she don't agree, do you get? You can start to do various things. That's number one. Because of your selfish need, either as a lady or as a guy. Because you don't know when that your other partner no go fit take him again.
Okay.
That moment where you dey talk, say you dey open relationship, you dey enjoy him. Your other partner for beginning, she said they enjoy him. Babe, why you just coming? Do we do that now? I was with blah blah blah.
Because you're expecting she understands. Say
you get, you don't do him. The moment when she no fit take him again, waiting you want or waiting the other guy want to. Number one, you don't say love is encompassing, but love sweet. If you dey share with the person, we reciprocate the love. I want to do that agreement of saying I love each other. The mistake we always do with this open relationship of a thing is we feel because I'm cool with it, I can always find someone that is cool with it until the person is not cool with it again. But that moment,
I won't make you land. Wait, finish
Wait,
the problem now with people where they feel say open relationship they nice, they okay or they good now. Say most of the people where they talk, how many of them did the open relationship?
Thank you for that last way talk.
Okay,
Ada,
write down.
let me tell you something.
Tell me.
To be inside open relationship, no be beans. No be my. Now people will get their hearts to do them. That's why the person who I think say, hold on my love. The person who I think say, feel they run open relationship effortlessly. Now Baba God. Do you know Baba God they open relationship with everybody? No, make a break them down for now. No, make a break.
Use human do example. Don't use Baba God. We don't talk about human.
I really didn't choose Baba God.
You know why I talk this thing.
Yes.
Hold on. You know why I talk this thing. First of all, love. To feel the depth of love. The inner part of love, not spiritual. See, if I dey love you on the physical, things will happen if you break us easily. Ordinary mind like you know go fit understand. That's why I tell you, say now only God within the spiritual sphere, feel help everybody, gather everybody under the same atmosphere called earth, love everybody equally. And some people in the love past others because that person when you draw closer to him, he go show more love. The Father you have from God, the Father he is from you with the love. Now only God feel experience or showcase or express open relationship effortlessly. Human being no get the power to do so. That will not mean say you no good.
I dey tell you say you no good. You know why you no good? Because even this same God where you talk, Bible talk say God is a jealous God. God. Wait.
Thank you for that line.
Wait.
God
No. Wait.
Oh.
This God where you talk say
Don't get
God,
me started.
God where you talk say yes, he love everybody unconditionally or they open relationship with everybody. But why God no dey open relationship with the same person where they taunt everybody for this set? Since now he create everybody, Satan.
No, that's best not to God.
That's best.
Then that means that means under this context, that example that you just made, it is not what we are talking about.
Exactly.
Because
Okay,
wait,
so-
I beg, no
Okay,
vex.
so-
Wait, sorry, Kemi. In the sense that now the fact what you just said now is you just told me that human beings are not capable of open relationship.
I know say
that
not
means
capable.
wait.
That person will understand the spirituality where they there.
That means it means just one thing, Papito.
Yes.
You get it is not good. One, it is not reasonable. Two, number three, at the beginning, it is sweet, but nobody fit tell me say if you continue.
All right, thank you very much. Kemi, what do you
People
want to
get into open marriages, so I don't understand what you are saying.
Give me the numbers.
I
What
don't
is the
understand
statistic?
what you are
What is the
saying.
statistic of people that
No.
get into open marriages?
The statistics of people that get into open marriages,
close up marriages,
they are doing
it doesn't-
better
it
than
doesn't-
people
it
that
doesn't
close
end
up
well.
marriages.
Okay,
They end up
make-
breaking
make-
up
make-
and having
calm
divorce.
down.
How many
I never
people
reach
close
to
up marriages
you.
you get?
You never reach to you, but
Because
smoke
number
calm
one,
down.
because number one, you dey close up relationship, marriage, you know work. Now imagine, say, I watched one movie some years ago. Shey you get the day both of them dey open relationship, they dey open marriage. Shey you get man come talk say man doing your own threesome, the wife bring girl come, the three of them enjoy am. Woman won't come do her own threesome. She don't tell the husband say blah blah blah. Wetin the husband expect? He expect say another girl. When he go dey bed, the babe don't dey naked for bed. The guy don't dey naked for bed. The husband pursue the guy. Why? But they dey open marriage. No, wait. You see, this is where you talk, This is where you talk.
That your way.
This guy don't understand what you dey.
Calm deep down.
No,
Calm down.
no.
I want
Under marriage,
God.
being open.
Calm down,
It is
calm
the
down.
same since we are talking about open relationship and open marriage. You get for you to have the confidence to bring another person that is not in your marriage to your bed. To your matrimonial bed. That means you and your husband have certain understanding.
Wait.
Yeah.
We're not talking. See,
That
even in
understanding
open
now.
marriages and open
You
relationships,
know if you run out because say you know
There's
get balls.
respect.
there is.
Yeah,
There's
tell me-
respect and there's commitment.
Tell me
Now,
the kind
let
of
me
respect.
explain.
I don't
Okay.
understand the kind of respect you're talking about.
Let
Make me understand.
explain.
Yeah.
So for those that are in open marriages, they are married. They already have the idea that we don't want cheating to be a red flag in our marriage. We don't
That
want
is
to
a deal
break
breaker.
up. Exactly. We don't want it to be a deal breaker. So what do? Okay, you can have your moment of weaknesses, but please, when I'm calling you or when I need you around, you show up.
That is
Because
not
you are
commitment.
committed.
That is not commitment. That's all you
Calm
no.
You can be
You
committed
can't
to
tell me that is commitment. No, you can't tell me that is commitment.
Calm down.
I will calm down. You can't tell me that
Okay.
is commitment to me. You know what that is? Do you know what that is? That is a proper excuse. So you are willing to be available.
God.
You are willing to be available at whatever time you feel comfortable. It's about your own pace. That is what you just said now. That is what you just said.
The voice of
what you
will,
just
for
said.
goodness sake.
Cut.
This case might
Calm
be
down.
adjourned. It might be
we
adjourned.
get limited time and emotions on the fly already. We dey open relationship for this stage right
Oh,
now.
no, use that word open relationship.
Break your head now.
Calm down. Kemi, make I ask you this question. You think that this open relationship they build if it build trust and if it make the partners bond? Quick one.
Yes,
You
it
think
can.
So? Why?
Yes.
Why you think so?
So because at that moment they know that okay,
That your own beat person.
that
Calm down.
wait now.
Kemi, I dey hear you.
At that moment, you know that okay, fine. Although we are committed to each other,
Okay.
I really, really want to do this with you, but I would make mistakes. So I'm letting you know beforehand that I would make mistakes. So when I make mistakes, it does not mean that I will not put my mistakes as priority above you.
Hey,
You are
my
saying
lord,
from-
please, can I
would-
answer that
would-
question?
So
Another angle.
Gradually, you
Okay.
guys start to get it. That was trying to use an example of a movie. I have another movie example too that is based on someone's true
drop the
life
trailer.
story.
So the deal is
And
this.
it's the same thing.
So the deal is this. Say this one will help us.
Build trust and
build
bond.
trust. Thank you.
With partners.
If you date normal relationship, and you won't come out, you won't go do shino, right? You go lie for your partner, right? And by maybe you just stay unlucky, your partner can't figure out, say, you lie for him. Then it can't damage the trust we get for that partner
Okay.
for normal relationship.
Okay.
But for open relationship, your partner knows, say, but not they bind us together as much. Not only this food, they keep us together. I feel go knock anywhere. So if I tell you, say, I dey go somewhere, you know go doubt me because you know, say, yes, indeed. no man.
where I'm
She
going.
did knock outside anyway. So the trust is even stronger in open
Like, you
relationship.
already know
than
where the person
close.
is
Okay,
going.
so
Not that
okay,
person
so
is
there's no
lying.
need to hide
Okay.
anything.
How does
Never
that
ask
sound?
you,
How
never
does-
ask
How would
you.
you
Wait,
feel
I
if
Never
know
ask
the case
you.
for
Now two
clarity's
against
sake.
one.
You believe
Never
say
ask
it a
me.
bond.
Yes,
and
it
you
a
so
bond.
believe.
Yes,
so that your make
it
we hear your
works.
opinion for this
Thank
one.
The trust goes strong
Thank
more.
you.
Wait, make una allow that you're dropping.
Wait,
Make we
wait.
hear your own for
So,
this one, Dairo.
wait, the first thing I say, if they open relationship with the person, we una talk, say una dey open and una dey committed. Shey you get. So that means if you come out,
Open relationship is not committed.
Wait,
to
wait.
certain things. It's not.
What?
It's not
What?
entirely.
You just said that. But you just said
It's
that.
not. Hold on. You're not getting it.
But
This
you
guy's
just
not getting
said
it. Hold on, he's
No,
not
but
getting
you
it.
just said it.
The commitment is not all rounder. I like for example.
some
you
certain
just give
things.
it exactly.
Wait,
For some
wait now.
certain
Yes.
things, that person on
Wait,
some
wait.
certain
Wait,
things.
so what you're trying to tell me now is when you use the word love for someone and you want to fulfill everything that you want to tick the box for love.
It's even great.
Wait, come on.
That's another
come
question.
on.
Now before you answer, make
Wait,
I
come
quickly
on.
ask. Make I quickly ask them because they don't drop their point. You believe say love dey inside open relationship? This thing called love, it dey for inside open relationship.
Yes.
Yes,
To a
no.
degree.
If I
Yes.
both of you, if I exclude both of
You
you,
know why?
which one should be that one?
You know why? Even the close relationship, or whatever you want to call it, the opposite. You can't love or no person finish.
No
Bam.
way.
All right,
wait.
That your turn.
And even in the close relationship, love was never enough.
Wait.
It was never enough to sustain the
Imagine
relationship.
there's love, there's
wait,
money, there's
wait,
this, there's
wait.
that.
So many
You know,
factors.
Wait.
Too many
Don't pile all
factors.
those things on your chest when you can.
You see, I beg,
But,
I beg, no vex. The fact that you guys are putting the word open to a relationship is what is giving me headache.
I can't
And the
use
fact,
painkiller.
wait, and the fact that
Panadol.
you have Panadol. That Panadol, now the person with the open relationship go need and pass. You know why? Because the moment when you tell person, you say normal, you don't care. Say normal, she don't talk, say she don't deal with that person. I don't care. Sure you get. But the day, if that person no deal with you, you won't tell me so you don't going to get second guesses. of where the person tell you.
Because
say
personally,
they lay down rules.
wait,
So
personally,
you understand what they are playing.
Wait. No. I understand now. Wait.
It don't be like
Wait. I understand
it
now.
don't be like
Hold on.
it don't be like you collect work. Hold on. Wait now. You collect work now. On Thursday they off. So on Thursday, I make your team look on. I wonder what Ada is doing at this time on Thursday. You know she's off. It's an agreement.
Wait.
So whenever your partner not there with you, know say she don't do
But
this.
There are
I
two
get-
different things.
I
Wait,
get
there are
so
two
your
different things.
If your mind make up, no fit stand down. That's your business.
You see, there are two different things in the sense that,
Alright.
yo, what's up? This is the babe, but it is nothing more than sex. That is
that's
understandable.
what I get with there for
No
this one.
strings
Some
attached.
relationship-
No
I get-
strings
hold on.
attached is different.
Wait, I get
No
I get
strings
issues.
attached is
Hold on.
different.
Yeah.
I get issues when you say love. This is my own opinion
Like-
now. Love
Don't
they
get
for
it.
inside open
Open
relationship.
relationship.
Ada, what is love to you? Hold on. What is love to you?
Love na how go put make I break am down for pidgin my own way. Love covers all things. So if personally I love you, I no one share you.
That means you go to
If
put the
I
person
love
first.
you at all time,
You put the
don't be
person
saying you my
first.
priority, but the way I take myself, na so I take you.
Yeah.
So I know if day I dey imagine say person when I claim say I love, they out there they knack person to my own knowledge.
Or the person get issue. You don't
You
fit tell me.
you see,
You don't fit
I
tell
beg,
me.
I beg you.
Okay.
This is where you talk now pure theory. Man, take you to practical,
Okay,
right?
make I hear the
Let's be
practical.
pragmatic about this whole thing. Now, you say if you love
Have you
person,
talk
hold on.
English?
If you say you love person for the entire thing. Suppose now you love person who is short like me.
Okay.
And maybe hold on. I mean realistic now.
Yeah.
And maybe for example, maybe my prick no long enough.
Okay.
To satisfy you in bed.
Okay.
So now you go fit manage that weakness, that inadequacy.
Papito, I see
that
you
flaw.
say you short.
Before she come
And
meet you.
I imagine before I even agree, I imagine waiting your prick go be like.
Probably
You don't
like
even-
this.
don't do that. Don't do that.
Wait.
You imagine what?
Hello, don't.
Wait.
I'm not trying to say I imagine your own. I dey talk based on wetin you tell me. So for me to see you, I don't say you short. I don't I don't weigh everything, run scale for my head, blah, blah, blah. That's so good. That's so even if I never
But
see am.
you will be surprised what you will see.
And then,
It's very big.
When I can't
Very
start,
big.
when I can't start today in relationship with you, I supposed to handle everything when I say inside.
But wait,
So now you're telling me now.
Now my
the problem why I
decision
get
to
now.
date
Wait,
you.
wait,
That
wait.
is why I tell
wait,
you.
Wait,
see,
wait.
Hold on.
No.
Now why I tell you, see.
The
now why
problem when
tell
I
you, see-
get now,
hold
when
on.
Now why I tell you, say you as a whole now you go fit manage whatever inadequacy will come through with the
Now
relationship.
wetin love dey about now.
Thank you. Now why second option day for people who no be like you, who no fit manage
open
that
relationship,
situation.
there's nothing like
Second
open
option.
relationship.
So now,
they
so
are
if what I
flings,
don't fit get
they are
from
friends
you.
with benefits,
So, hold
they are
on,
one night
hold
stand.
on.
There's
So,
nothing like open
it's
relationship.
not-
Open
hold on.
relationship
So
is
because I don't
big
fit get a
excuse to
particular
cheat.
thing, you no go learn.
It's
You no go learn work.
not.
Now why you no progress?
Oh yeah, plan.
The reason why, okay, so now because I go talk, say I don't fit get certain things from certain pleasure, satisfaction from you, so I could just die. I don't enjoy that satisfaction again from any other
It will
person
get
apart from
boring.
you. Life will get boring.
It will get boring
That way you
and
don't.
you will
that way-
leave.
okay, one line. I don't want line. That way you don't
Leave.
enjoy your relationship. You are enduring your relationship.
I know,
I
and
just-
it's
I
not
just-
like we
wait.
get
Endured.
less than 2
Man,
minutes to
talk.
wrap up.
It's
Final
not
line. We get
supposed
2
to
minutes
be
to wrap up.
endured.
I think the problem that you guys have now that is limiting the level of understanding you should have about open relationship and commitment or whatever it is number one, you don't go into something that you know would limit your self space. If you want flings, go for it.
Okay, fine.
If you want friends with benefit, go for
for
it.
it. So
Don't tell me that.
everything-
Don't tell me that there is love in open relationship. Are you trying to tell me that same person that you can't share your hall with is that same person?
But
That is wait.
now what do you
Alright,
That is that same.
Dayo, thank you. I don't
Your whole
say it, but we
H
don't
factor.
get time again and we need to wrap up. We
Yeah.
don't get time. So for Kemi and Papito, I
Yes.
believe say open relationship.
It get love.
Na 18 first of all. It get love.
And
Secondly.
it go build trust.
It's
And
a
it go
Cap,
build
trust.
trust.
It last longer.
Trust.
Cap.
And it lasts longer.
Then for Dayo, na capital cap.
Cap. This one a
Give
cap
bridge,
inter. This
now,
one a
it's
cap
not
in zone. Caps.
That's I'm back from there.
Okay. That's how we'll take end today.
We gonna
episode
continue. Don't say
of
we
Chukma-
end down. We
Okay,
don't
no
end this
vex.
time.
No vex.
Why your open
Part two
relationship is
coming.
nothing?
After we
Open
finish
relationship is
When
nothing.
I calm down, when I calm down.
down.
After we finish this song, we'll go end down outside this open table here because
Yes.
as I dey see Dayo,
You know
we
him.
ready to drag Kemi.
And the
read.
next one what they going to do, I will carry all my girls where they do open relationship.
I will carry my guys. When
So I beg.
Only
So
you.
They
people,
don't dey fight.
when I calm down, make we wrap up. So people, I beg, I watch this video, subscribe, download, help us to make we dey bring out better content
Comment
for una.
and abuse both
Open
of them.
relationship, I dey ask you where they watch this video right now. You believe say na 18?
comment.
Drop your comments.
Comment and abuse both of
You
them.
dey
Comment,
inside.
drag them.
Comments. From
Feel
this end, we love you. ChookMouthGeng, nothing serious.
Just vibe.